Hello students, we are going to start third chapter, that is linear equation in two variable. Let us see what is called a linear equation. Example for linear equation is just x plus 5 is equal to 7. This is one variable. Linear equation means the power of the variable is 1. It should not be more than that and it should not be less than that. Therefore, it is called linear equation in one variable. This is an example. You can take any other variable like minus 7 plus y is equal to minus 3 by 4. You can take like that also. So that here we have one variable, that is the first point, and the power of the variable is 1. Therefore, it is called linear equation in one variable. So, I would like to write linear equation in one variable. Okay, good. Now, what is a solution? Solve. I would like to take the first equation, x plus 5 is equal to 7. Now, x is equal to 7 minus 5, x is equal to plus 2. This is the solution. If we keep 2 here, 2 plus 5 is equal to obviously 7. So, we can have a linear equation in one variable and we can write down, we can solve the linear equation in a simple way. Let us see linear equation in two variable. Now, linear equation in two variable. Therefore, the examples or simple example, x plus y is equal to something 5. Here two variables are there, x and y, and the power of x is 1 and the power of y is also 1. It must be the same, 1 and 1, and some constant. Therefore, this is a linear equation in two variable. Now, we cannot solve this equation. Solve means the answer, the value of x. Here we have a value of x is equal to 2. Now we cannot solve this equation because here we have two variables. We cannot find what is the value of x, what is the value of y. So tell me some examples for this. X plus y is equal to 5. When x plus y is equal to 5, tell me some possible answers. I would like to choose x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. So we have 2. Okay. Now x is equal to, somebody say 2 and y is equal to 3. This is also 5. Now tell me another one, 3 plus 2. X value is 3, y value is 2. That is also 5. If x value is 4 and y value is 1, that is also 5. And x value is 0 and y value is 5, that is also 5. Only this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more is there. So we can write x value 5 and y value 0, that is also 5. That's all. No, so many are there, infinite number of solutions are there. So here we can, I would like to write down 1000 minus 995. What is the answer? 1000 minus 995 is 5. So how many answers can be created with this example? n number of possible x value and possible y value can be created, and we cannot say what is the correct answer. Okay, so we have I would like to give you another example for linear equation in two variable, that is 5x minus 3y is equal to 2. This is another example for linear equation in two variable. Okay, now I am going to take one linear equation, that is 6x plus 3y is equal to 9. Now I want to represent this linear equation graphically. Now 3y is equal to minus 6x plus 9. You have to keep y value y here and rest of every variable to the other side, and y is equal to minus 6x plus 9 whole by 3. Then y is equal to minus 6x by 3 plus 9 by 3. Y is equal to, so this will cancel here 2 times, 2x plus 3. Now we have simplified form of this equation, linear equation in two variable. Now convert into y is equal to something else. Keep y at LHS and bring everything to the RHS and simplify. Now we can represent this equation. This equation is equal to this equation. This equation is equal to this. This equation is equal to this. This equation is equal to the same. All the equation, all the 5 forms are the same but different. We can see the different approach, but they are the same equation. Now we are going to represent this linear equation. Whenever we say linear equation, it is line. Linear equation is nothing but line. So we are going to draw a straight line for this equation. Now how to draw a straight line representing this equation? Number 1, take the equation y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. Now consider x value something. So I am going to take x is equal to 1, x is equal to 0, simple. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 3, y is equal to minus 2 of 0 plus 3, y is equal to minus 2 plus 3, 2 0 of 2, that is completely 0. Therefore y is equal to 3. Now x comma y. What is the value of x? We have taken 0. What is the value of y? We obtained 3. Now we have one coordinate. Coordinate point. Now take the same equation, y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. Now let x is equal to 1. Therefore y is equal to minus 2 of 1 plus 3. Y is equal to minus 2 plus 3. Y is equal to 1. Therefore x comma y is equal to x1 y1. Now here this is another coordinate point. coordinate point. Now take a graph. Obviously 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 mean this is the point, and 0 comma 3. 0 mean x-axis. Okay, 3 points mean 1 2 3. Here we have 2 points, that is 1 comma 1, and here 0 comma 3. Now with the help of a scale you can draw a line. So this line is 6x plus 3y is equal to 9. So an equation, linear equation in 2 variable, this is the first algebraic equation, convert into y form. Actually it is called as y is equal to mx plus c. In CBSE NCERT textbook that formula is not there, but we have to convert into y form, and that is the second step. The third step is take the equation and find one coordinate point by choosing x value 0, obtain y value. You will have a coordinate point. In the same way you can find another coordinate point, that is in the same process. Now with the 2 points on a graph you can draw the line passing through the 2 points. If you take a third point, the third point also could be somewhere. If you take a fourth point, the fourth point could be somewhere on the same line. Therefore this line is graphical representation of the linear equation of 2 variable. So I would like to repeat the steps. Algebraic equation, convert into y form, and obtain a coordinate point, another coordinate point. On graph you can draw the line passing through the 2 points. So the name of the line is 6x plus 3y is equal to 9. So in this way we can represent a linear equation in 2 variable.